Now that we've covered a couple of places to go to look for OER, let's look at how you can evaluate these resources. Although some repositories, like the Open Textbook Library, provide faculty reviews of open educational resources, you can't assume that there will be reviews available on the resources you're interested in. Because of this, understanding how to evaluate OER yourself is really important. First, you'll want to identify vetted rubrics for evaluating OER. There are a few different examples of these available on our library guide, so you don't have to search blindly. The Achieve and iRubrics forms are especially useful for instructors evaluating OER for the first time. These rubrics ask questions like, who created the resource? Does the information presented in the resource align with your class's learning objectives? Is the resource designed for users at the same level of education as your students? Asking questions like this early on can be a huge help. The second step to evaluating open educational resources is to watch out for red flags. This goes hand in hand with the earlier evaluation, but requires a little bit more review on your part. Questions to ask include, does the resource have any typos, and when was the last time the resource was updated? Although these issues might not indicate that a resource is low quality, it can help determine if the resource you're considering is right for your class or if it needs to be updated or adapted. Finally, after evaluating the resources you have compiled, create a list of your best options and determine which of these would be best for you to use in your class. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, it can be difficult to locate high-quality open educational resources online. Using rubrics and searching on well-curated repositories like the Open Textbook Library and OER Commons can help make things easier, but you still might have issues locating exactly what you need.